Hey everyone, very good morning. So today we are practicing day 9 of our Pranayama and meditation series. I hope you are all ready. Please sit down in Sukhasana or Vajrasan. I know you must be hearing this every day saying that do warm up. It's very important to do some back stretches and neck and shoulder stretches. I hope you are all ready with all of that. Let's begin. Turn your both the palm up. You can keep them in Chin Mudra, back straight and close your eyes. Now the moment you close your eyes, just bring your attention to the state of mind and state of your body. How does your back feels? How does your shoulder feels? How is your mind? Are you getting a lot of thoughts? Alright, now slowly bring your awareness to the breathing, purely only your breath, and start taking a long breath in and long breathe out. Inhale and exhale. One more time, deep inhale and deep exhale. Now, next time when you breathe in, breathe out, you're going to hold your breath for a few seconds. Deep breath in. Hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale. Back to the normal breathing. Try to keep your breath Ujjayi breathing now, where you create an ocean sound with the help of your throat. Slowly try to push the air through the throat, creating an ocean sound. Inhale. 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 Get back to your normal breathing. Now slowly open your eyes. Now let's quickly see how to practice Bhramari Pranayama. I have already made a video on this, and in the last series also when I made Pranayama and meditation I have explained. So let us not spend a lot of time understanding this, so I'll give you a quick information about it. So basically you're going to close your earlids and your eyes, and you're going to keep your mouth closed. Your tongue should be rolled in and the tip should touch the upper lid. And when you practice, it will look something like this. Just pay attention. Keep your second and third finger on your nose and relax. Or you can keep it on your forehead and relax. So basically the major part of the pranayama is handled by both the hands, which closes your ears and eyes. That's very important. Okay, take a deep breath in. When you breathe out, you're going to create a sound of makara. So you're going to quick inhale, exhale for a few seconds. Do not drag your breath out, and close your ears with the help of your fingers. Close your ear with the help of your finger, and then roll your tongue in. Let your tongue tip touch the upper lid. These are the basic things. Let's try to do this pranayama at least 4 times. You're ready? From thumb closing ears, from first 2 fingers closing eyes, and then rest of the fingers are just relaxing on the face. Tongue rolled in, inhale, exhale. Inhale. 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 Please keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. Just release your both the hands. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Now just observe the vibration which took place in your mind. How does it feel? Just be here for a few seconds. Peaceful and a slow breathe in and slow breathe out. Slow breathe in and peaceful breathe out. Absolutely no effort, no force. Be here in the moment. Let your mind be focused on the breathing pattern right now. If your mind is diverted, if you're getting a lot of thoughts, slowly bring your attention back to the breath. Do not run away from the thoughts. Just observe them, let it go, and slowly with awareness, start focusing on your breathing pattern. Breathe in, breathe out. These instructions are just to keep you focused on the breathing. A reminder for you, if at all you are distracted, if you have a lot of thoughts, just to get back to your breath. Now slowly be aware of your posture. Be aware of your spine. Be aware of your shoulder. If you have any tightness, stiffness, any sensation. Bring your attention to both the hands and release Chin Mudra. Get your both the palm together, Namaskara Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out. Rub your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes and face. Slowly open your eyes, look into your palm. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time.